Just as their name suggests, these alpacas have special abilities that are unique to them. They
All right.
can heal.
All right, I'm buying it.
Communicate.
Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm your beautiful host, Young Buffett, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about alpacas. So I just bought an alpaca. I thought I'd share it with you guys. They're currently sold out from their mint, but you can still buy it on OpenSea if you're interested. I got a message from Jack over at Finery, my trading group where we talk about stocks and cryptos and NFTs all day long. So if you haven't already joined, it's the first link in my description. So go ahead and click on that and join and let's talk. But I bought an alpaca. He called it out. He said some of his buddies he thought it was underpriced for what it is. And I hopped in there real quick and sniped the floor real quick. I buy whatever he says, no questions asked. I was listening to the story of the alpacas, and I'm sold. I'm in. Mad greedy farmers abused their powers and found no more use for the Alpacadabraz family. The gates were opened and the Alpacadabraz were roaming around. Are we talking about investing in NFTs, or are we just making some shit up now and buying, throwing money at pixelated stuff? Because I feel like I'm at the point in my investing career where I have a stock portfolio that's just killing it, right? And it's doing its thing. I have a long-term portfolio. It's going up, it's solid. And then I have my crypto portfolio. I've had it for years. The crypto's killing it. It's doing fine. It's great. You just need that extra spice in your life, and it looks like I'm there. So this is what we're doing now, guys. This is it. This is the peak, the peak of why I invest now. They have a pretty cool roadmap. So honestly, the reason why I got into this project is actually pretty legit. All jokes aside, I am really looking out for NFT projects that are getting into the 3D space, into the metaverse space. NFT projects that'll have gaming utility, I think, are going to be very, very important. I am tired of the profile picture community style NFT projects. I need something with utility. I need a reason to buy it. I need a reason to own it. And I like what these guys are doing here. So after they sell out, which they did, they want to release a fun and competitive browser game with on-chain leaderboards where alpaca holders can battle for a share of secondary sales profits. That's cool. A reason to buy, a reason to play. Okay? Pixel map with 9,669 pixels, where each alpaca owner can claim their own spot and upload an image that they like. That's cool. That's cool. Augmented reality mobile app where you can simply point your camera at your alpaca picture on OpenSea and it'll show you your alpaca in 3D. That's cool. And merchandise store to be released with sticker packs, the option to print your own 3D alpaca, and high quality clothing. So that's cool as well. I like it. They also have a next project coming up, 3D Alpacadabraz, ready for the metaverse. Chukchi already started working on the 3D alpacas, and they look amazing. Each owner of a 2D alpaca can claim their free 3D alpaca. More info later on. So I hopped over to their Discord. They have a awesome community of people who are just constantly engaging and, posting alpaca memes as they should. And I was guided in the right direction. We were learning more about which one I should buy, which one makes sense for me. Honestly, I just sniped the floor. Let me show you what I got. So where are we at? Profile. Here we are. So I got this bad boy. Nothing crazy. Nothing too expensive. I like to scale into these NFT projects. I like to take it slow, keep it small, keep it safe, keep it consistent. That's my style here. Its properties are, it's not animated. They have some pretty cool animated ones. The background is light blue. I thought it looks nice, 3% have that trait. The body is a Chad, so 19% have this trait. The body color is ginger, you know. You got to rep that ginger sometimes. We got 11% have that trait. Clothes, 5% have the cherry. I believe that's this little like sweater you got on right there, right? And then his eyes are forked. So, you know, we got some of that forked action right there. His hair's messy. That makes sense. You gotta rock that messy hair sometimes. We're doing the same thing right now. And his mouth is very seductive. I can relate. And red Kentucky saddle looks fantastic on him. And it is not unique. 99% have that trait. I'm not quite sure what that means. I guess there's one that's like truly unique. I don't get that part. But I like this project. Take a look at some of the stuff that they have. Their artwork is honestly, it's cute. It's cool. Here's an animated one. You can see examples of those. They have a wide range, honestly. Let's take a look at the priced highest to lowest. And let's see what we're working with here. So we have a wide variety of options here. Everything from this crazy looking devil demon looking one with laser eyes to this like angelic flying version of the laser eye thing. It's pretty cool. And then there's just a bunch of different artworks and a bunch of different styles, a lot of different things to choose from. I just went with the floor. I wasn't going to get too picky, but obviously you can get real deep and use a website like Rarity Tools, where you can then just hop over here, go to all collections, and you can search alpaca. You can see by 7-day volume, it's number 5. So they're actually, there's a lot of volume on this one. The floor just keeps going crazy. It goes up and down almost like 0.1 Ethereum a day. So it could be a good flipping strategy if you're into that kind of thing. It should be very interesting to see how it all plays out. But you can sort by rarity. You can see different options. You can see their rarity score up here. You can see their different traits and what to look out for if you're interested in picking the perfect NFT for you. This is a handy dandy tool to see where it stacks up against everything else. They also have a pretty active Twitter. So definitely go check that out if you want new and updated information. They landed a long-term partnership with the Land Vault to design and integrate games on Sandbox Land. So again, it's just really cool 3D metaverse future. And that's why I bought it. Let me know if you have any questions or anything. I'm excited to see where this goes. I am now a proud owner of an alpaca. You heard it here first. Love you.